My name is Victor Santinello, and I'm the Director of Assessments for the town of Wakefield. And I'm here to talk to you about an exciting new tax-saving opportunity for seniors in Wakefield that meet a set of criteria. About 2 years ago, town of Wakefield at town meeting passed a home rule petition that had to make its way through the legislature and ultimately be signed by the governor. While it took quite a bit of time to do that, Governor Baker finally signed it on Friday. So this is part of our rolling it out and informing people about this new and exciting opportunity for seniors to save taxes. We call it the Wakefield Senior Discount Program. And specifically, it's for folks that have received the senior circuit breaker income tax credit off of their Massachusetts income taxes. So when seniors file their income taxes, the senior circuit breaker is for folks that pay at least 10% of their total income towards local property tax and half water and sewer payments. They would qualify for, I think last year it was $1,100 credit off of their income taxes. Wakefield's program will match that. To qualify, you have to receive the senior circuit breaker income tax credit off of your income taxes. That, combined with our simple application that is posted to the town website on the assessing page, and the other criteria that's critical to receiving this is you have to own and occupy a home in Wakefield for the past 10 years. You would have been 65 years of age by the close of the prior calendar year. Any co-applicant must be at least 60 years of age. Have no other significant assets like a second home or a trust fund or anything like that. And you have to make timely application with the Board of Assessors. Our application time frame is the month of August and September. We have 2 months to do this, and we have the application on our website. Information has been, was recently printed in the local newspaper. Our letters and communication are also up on the town website. Judy Luciano, who runs our fabulous senior center, has information, and she will be assisting us and really heading up the operation to get word out to seniors through the senior newsletter. Staff in my office is eager to help get the word out. And in order to qualify for this exemption, you have to fill out the application. You have to send us a copy of the application, a valid Massachusetts ID, and on your Massachusetts income taxes, if you receive the circuit breaker income tax credit, it's called a Form CB2. That tells you and will tell us how much you received for a credit. If you don't have that form, it's also listed on, I think it's page 2 of your Massachusetts income taxes. We would need a copy of that as well, so we can verify how much you got for a credit. Once we determine the credit amount and you follow the guidelines and have been approved, we will match whatever credit the state gave you. And we will give that to you as a discount off of your real estate taxes. So say you apply in August to September, we verify everything, we would take that credit off of your actual tax bills, which is the one that would be due February and May of next year. Technically, it's still fiscal year 2021, but if you qualify for the max credit, which I'm not sure what it's going to be this year, but last year was $1,100, is quite sizable. Along with this exemption, if your property is in a trust, we would need to review your real estate trust documents to ensure ownership and percentage interest in that ownership to make sure we can grant the credit. It's the same criteria used for other state-sponsored statutory exemptions, like a senior citizens exemption, like a veterans exemption, or a blind exemption, or a surviving spouse exemption. Ownership must be required. And in drafting this new form of tax relief, we tried to keep the qualifying criteria as close to existing state law as we could to ensure it would pass legislative and legal muster. So, to reiterate, we're one of a handful of towns to craft our own legislation to afford seniors this additional form of tax relief. The goal is to help seniors age in place, stay in their homes longer, and stay vibrant in our lovely little town of Wakefield. To, again, receive the exemption, you have to get the state circuit breaker. You have to have been 65 years of age by the close of the prior calendar year. Any co-applicant must have been 60 years of age as well, have owned and occupied a home in Wakefield for the past 10 consecutive years. If within that time frame you owned a home in Wakefield, sold it, and bought a condo in Wakefield, you would still be eligible for the exemption. We just have to prove the ownership. No other significant assets, again, second home, trust fund, things like that, and make timely application with the board. The application timeline is August 1st through September 30th. Applications are available at the Town of Wakefield website on the assessing page, and further information has also been posted there. Should be prominently featured up there to answer most of your questions. If anyone has any further questions, feel free to call the assessing office at 781-246-6380, where our staff is eager to answer any questions, or you can also email us through the town website at our general mailbox. We're trying our hardest during these difficult times to get the word out. Had this been signed a month prior, a letter would have been in every tax bill advising people of this new form of tax relief. However, with tax bills being printed and sent to mail, unfortunately, the timing didn't work out to do that. So we're a little bit behind the gun in getting the word out. In addition, this never would have been accomplished without the input of the Wakefield Board of Assessors, in particular Sebastian Tyne, Jane Daddario, Brian Donegan, and former member Walter Schofield. Also, the support and guidance of Town Administrator Stephen Mayo, legal guidance of Town Council Tom Mullen, the support of our entire state delegation, Senator Jason Lewis, Representative Kate Lipper-Garabedian, Representative Donald Wong, and former Representative and current Melrose Mayor Paul Broder, and the enthusiastic support of every single one of our town councilors. So again, any questions at all, feel free to contact the assessor's office, 781-246-6380, or email us through the town website. Thank you very much.